Hello guys. So in this video we will see the update statement. So in some cases what happens, you have added some records or you have record already added and you have to update the record. You have to change some columns or some data within that row. So in that case you will be using this update statement. So the syntax is very simple. The syntax for this is very simple. Okay, so I will have the update statement and then I will have the table name. So once I have the table name, update table name, then I'm going to set the new values. So I'll set the new column value and is equals to value where, and I have to give the condition. So I have to get the condition where I will get that unique row and then I will update that particular column. So let us look at some examples here. Okay, so let me take this customer columns. Let me take this customer data. So let's do one thing. So let's uh, try to change postal code of wherever there is Mexico. Okay, so wherever there is Mexico, we will try to update the postal code to 0, or let us write 1. Okay, so let us try to update all the records where country is Mexico, the postal code should be 1. So to do that I would write update and then I would say table name as customers, because that is the table name, right? Update customers, set postal code is equals to 1 where my country is equals to Mexico. Let me just quickly grab that, where country is, I can say, Mexico. So now if I run this, so you see 5 rows had Mexico, it is updated. So now if I run select query, select star from customers, so now you can see wherever there is Mexico, the postal code has been updated to 1. You can see here wherever there is country as Mexico, it is been updated to 1. So you can see how you can use this update query, or you can say update statement, in order to update Mexico. Yeah, so you can use this update query or say statement to update all the records or to update only one record. Say for example, I want to update only this particular record where customer ID is 2. I want to change only for this Mexico. So I'll say where customer ID is equals to 2. So set the postal code as 100. So now if I run this, so you see row is affected, right? One row is affected. So now if I run the customer back, so you can see where there is customer number 2, the row is updated to 100. So any number of columns, you can not only put one, you can update multiple columns. I can say set postal code as 100. I can say set address is equal to high. I can change, see, I can change multiple columns. I can update multiple columns. So you can see address, from address it is being changed to high. So you can update multiple column within a row using this update statement. The syntax is very simple: update, then table name, then you have set, and then setting all the columns, the column and the new value, and giving where, that is the condition, on based on what condition it should update the value. Usually we use primary key in the where clause because primary key uniquely identifies a single column, right? So this is the example for your update clause in MySQL.